They are also good students, and also they are good servants. This is the student much more polite, and they are enjoying party whole hour, and chicken tandoori is looking better. And those food cooked all of this student, and they are much more respective student, and they are good at all these things. Hi everybody, this is BJ from the Hostel of Jahanakudus Engineering Institute. And now we are going to enjoy the party. We have there we are looking many. No, I'm making a video. We there have many favorite foods, and we have many honorable teacher, and also have Mr. Reza Karim in the comfort zone, and we have also our favorite teacher Mr. Gunil sir, and we have also a respectful and honorable teacher of electrical department Mr. Tandoori Karim, and we have also honorable another teacher and chief instructor. No, I am making video for my YouTube channel, and Mr. What's the name of? I know I don't. Mr. Sir is civil department, and we have also our favorite and previous chief instructor of the department, and they also have our their student. So we are going to take dinner with enjoyment, and also have Mr. Reza Karim sir in the comfort zone. He is very interested with comfort zone, and there have chicken tandoori and also eggs, also chicken and pulao and many favorite foods. Those foods are waiting to going our stomach, and our stomach is waiting for processing this food, and our stomach will make high and valuable energy for our strength, and we are preparing for this food. A nice place, and there are also many students